President Uhuru Kenyatta ni acemanĩtie na Mũthamaki wa bũrũri wa UAE niwe Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa monanio ma wonjoria mũciĩ mũnene wa Dubai. Itanya rĩa Kenya kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ kũgathĩrĩria ũgendi ũrĩa nĩ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa Kenya ĩkũrĩkanĩte namo kumana na ũthaka waguo.
Allow me also to take this opportunity to invite nationals of the Gulf Cooperation Council states to come and experience our world-famous tourism attractions. We have a long history of trade, culture, and travel relations between the coast of the East African region and the Gulf region, which we now seek to reinvigorate and expand.
Hindi no President Uhuru ni athingatĩte maobitha nene thirikari-inĩ makĩria arĩa marĩ rũhonge-inĩ rwa wonjoria gũthoma ũrĩa mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kĩa ũrabu mekaga kwambatĩria mabũrũri mao harĩ wonjoria.
Country, business is not foreign to us. And what I encourage, especially from our government officials, is that what you need to be doing here is to talk to these people, is to engage them, is to facilitate them. Because you can come and claim we have all these different opportunities, but you are not facilitating people to do business. People need to be facilitated. People don't need to be lectured on upon our rules and regulations. We need to adapt to what the investor wants. We need to be the welcoming party. We need to facilitate these people to do what they need to do. These people have options to invest in many other parts of the world. What makes you different?
President oigĩte Kenya ĩrĩ thutha makinya maingĩ harĩ ndũgũ ya kĩwonjoria na mabũrũri ma ũrabu ona thengia wa gũkorwo kũrĩ na ũhotekeku ũcio nĩ ũndũ wa teknoloji gũkĩringithanio na mĩaka 40 mĩhĩtũku.
Our region of East Africa and this Gulf region, the amount and volume of business that was conducted between the Gulf and Kenya in the 60s and 70s is greater than that which is done today when we have all the available technology, all the instruments and everything. You must ask yourselves why. Why was there no longer an interest in continuing to deepen that partnership?
Kĩgomano gĩkĩ gĩgatirihwo mũthenya wa Kiumia na Kenya nĩyonanĩtie mĩto ya wendi wa gũkanatabania kĩgomano ta gĩkĩ mĩaka-inĩ yũkĩte. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.